Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to make egg omelette and bread omelette. It's going to be very soft, very delicious, and I'm also going to present you with a very enticing way of bread omelette, which is going to be very soft in the center and very crunchy on the outside. And look at that healthy, wholesome bite. So why wait? Let's make it. So put the pan. Drop a spoon of oil. I've sliced a single clove of garlic and kept it in the oil and put the stove on low medium flame. And let's crack open our 2 eggs. So here goes 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, little bit of chilies chopped, tomatoes chopped, onion chopped. Now you can mix them up with spoon. You have to mix it like this, too much for making it fluffy. So I'm using a beater here, so it makes it fast. So now we have removed those garlic. So garlic taste is there, but there is no garlic in our bite. So now we're going to leave it for cooking on the low flame. Remember, low flame. So we have taken a couple of eggs here with chili flakes and salt in it. And we've taken the brown bread and using the cookie cutter, cut it out the heart shape from the center like this. Now put another pan, apply a little bit of oil or butter, place the bread, and then pour this egg mixture in the center like this. Keep the gas on low flame and we're gonna let it cook for like 2 minutes until this gets cooked. Now let's check if our omelette is cooked on the one side. It seems cooked, so I'm gonna flip it. Cook from this side as well for 2-3 minutes on the medium flame. Check it. Yeah, it seems cooked. Yeah, it's perfectly cooked. So let's serve it. So I'm serving it with raw onion, tomatoes, green chilies. You can use tomato ketchup here as well. So this makes it complete breakfast. So we presented it live last Sunday on our Hindi channel. So if you want to check that out, you can. Link is going to be there in the description. Oh, this is yummy. This was a yummy bite. And that crunch of onion in between, it's really good. It is really good. You guys gotta try this. So now let's see if our bread is cooked. Let's flip it. Great, see? Omelette in the center. It's like part of that bread now. Let's make another while that's getting cooked. I think it's done. So let's see. Wow, that crunchy portion on the outside and soft on the inside. This is like perfect thing that person wants in their bite. See, it's part of the bread now. This bite is really delicious, guys. Make sure that you try this. So here the same thing with the tomato ketchup. So if you really like this recipe, make sure that you share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more of our videos, and make sure that you hit the bell icon as well so that you get all the notifications when we post our videos. So live your life healthy, happy and guilt-free. So look at that wholesome bite. So if you have any doubts, any queries, you can reach out to me through comments down below. I'll definitely reply to every single comment of yours. Thanks for watching, and if you have subscribed already, thank you very much. And if you haven't, please subscribe. See you in the next video.